How to download Spotify on PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Spotify. You will find this kind of screen pop up. You will find Download Spotify option in here. Click on Download Spotify, which will lead you to this page. In here, select Mac or Windows. I'm selecting Windows. After you do that, you will find two options: download from Microsoft Store or download directly from Spotify. Click on Download directly from Spotify. After it's downloaded, click on the file and it will download the installer. After it's done, you can log into your Spotify account and you're good to go. This is how to download Spotify on PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. If you have a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.